Ram Dixon was Sarpanch Village Panchayat Kabelosim. I just want to give a few updates about our Kabelosim beach cleaning. आम्ही सगळे जाण सरकारान इतलो व्हडलो बीच क्लिनिंगाचो टेंडर केल्लो आहा. So on my regular visit during the season, I always pick up something and I just had a meeting. So I'm teaching supervisor सांगून आज meeting घेतली all the beach cleaners who are including the supervisor in Kabelosim. आणि थोडी वस्तू म्हणल्यार कितें I am requesting also to them, I told them also, they are coming very late, 8:30 उपरांत येता ते. 8:30 is very late because आमचो येडेर गेस्ट वो ट्युरिस्ट येता तो 8 म्हणल्यार येवपाक आनी कोणी वॉका वयता 7 o'clock. So I told them that they must start early. They can finish early in the evening. But what is important, तेमी बेगीन स्टार्ट करपा जाय by 7 o'clock, 7:30 जे गेस्टांक रातचे कचरो आसता, जेन्ना हाय टायड आसता, जायतो चिकोल येता आनी बीच डर्टी दिसता. So I have requested them. Also, I have given them also instruction. All the beach entrances should be cleaned first 2 times a day, early morning, late evening also, and all the dustbins has to be in place. So, our lokakode magta, whenever you come to Kabelosim, make sure you dump in the dustbins which are located at the entrance of the beaches. आणि तिसरें म्हणल्यार आमकां जायते पाट दिसता हे बीच क्लिनिंग ते बिचार कचरो काडटाय आनी तेजी गाडी व्हरो येता मागीर 2-3 दिसांनी पूण तो डांप काडटाय आनी प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी जाय. देर इज अ प्लेस कॉल्ड नो मॅन्स लँड which is the beach and also touching the high tide line from there to the CRZ line, which is the property of owners. So जायतो वेस्ट तेमी थिंगा उडयलो तोय तेका क्लियर करपा लागला. आणि ऑल्सो बिहाइंड ऑल द शेक्स जायतो कचरोय आहा तोय तेंकाय साफ करपा लायला. आय थिंक इट्स व्हेरी गुड मिटींग अँड आय होप अर्ज द गव्हर्नमेंट हे बीच क्लिनिंगाचेर तुमी मातशें आनी लक्ष घालचें because if the beaches are clean, our tourists will always come back, and we should avoid taking the bottles on the beach and having drinks right on the beach and bottle tinga sodpa jayne. So I am requesting also whoever is coming to Kabelosim, make sure you help us to keep our beaches clean and safe, especially glass bottles तर फुटाव तुझे पाया लागतात. So once again I would like to request the government in beach cleaning, please make sure you put extra attention. I ask the tourism department also to regularly make sure you check the beaches and give them the support needed. From Panchayat side, we will definitely help them. And takai sangla, takai कसलो support जाओ, anytime you can call me, and we will make sure that we are working together to keep our beaches clean. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु. अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद. कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु.
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी. पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो.